Lights on. Doors closed. Script written. Thumbnail done. Hotel Trivago. Wait. What was that? Oh no. Please don't tell me that. After I scheduled everything, after I finally got everything done, I had the hiccups. Please don't tell me that I have the hiccups. I have the hiccups. Well then. Whoa. That definitely threw a wrench in my plans. I mean, everything was finally quiet. I just got off work. I just ate dinner. And everything was planned so perfectly. And now I had the hiccups. So, I honestly don't know if we're going to be recording today. Well done. In that case, let us do what we usually do in this situation. First, go to the fridge, get some water. Nice bottle here. Then we shall come back down the stairs. I'll have a seat right here. We'll open the bottle. Ah, that's a very satisfying sound. We'll take a drink and we'll hold our breath. Hopefully that worked. Also, hey, nothing's going on. Other than I am trying to record an audio and I had the hiccups. Well, I don't know if they're completely gone. If going down the stairs actually worked. Why does it have to happen to me? You know what? Fine. We will not be recording today. I'm already like what? 4 minutes behind schedule? Technically, I was supposed to have this audio done on Monday. It is now Friday. I am 3 days behind schedule. All because I decided to focus on my other projects, which I kind of want to get done. Because one of them I've been working on for 3 years and doing pretty well. And the other one, I've been trying to get the first draft written for 6 years. And I am this close to giving up entirely. No, no, no. I'm not actually giving up, but you know what I mean. It's just so frustrating. I have so many projects, and they all need my attention. And I feel like if I don't pay attention to one, then, I'm having a hard time putting my thoughts into words. Because now my chest hurts from hiccuping. You're right, I am not hiccuping anymore. That's weird. I mean, good, because when you hiccup so much, your chest hurts. But now I don't really feel like recording. Yeah, I just feel like pacing. You're right. Maybe I do need a break. Need to take some time off. Maybe not do any writing this week. Maybe not do any sort of work. Just relax, and then I can always record the audio another day when I'm ready. I mean, personally, I like to have a schedule. I like to have everything planned out. I like to have a day to record, I like to have a day to edit, and I like to have a day to upload. But since I've been working on these other projects, plus I haven't really been feeling myself this week, everything's just a little fruity in the loop. Fruity in the loop. I mean, yesterday I watched a movie with friends. I mean, I do that every week, but I was able to enjoy the movie and relax and, just enjoy myself. So, I'm wondering if, since I'm going to be taking some time off, we want to do something together. Could be anything. Anything at all. I mean, it's kind of supposed to rain for 5 whole days, so. But who knows? Who knows? It might change. Yeah, we could check out that indoor water park we've always wanted to go to. We can, just watch movies all day. That would be fun. Or we could go shopping. We do whatever you want. You pick. Oh, you don't have to decide yet. But once you have an idea, you can let me know. Yeah, of course we can go to the bookstore. I've been meaning to check out a few books myself. You know what? Why don't we make a list of all the things we want to do, and then we can discuss it, how about tonight? Not tonight, obviously, because it's already way too late. But maybe tomorrow morning at breakfast, we can make a list. And then talk about it, tomorrow night? Over dinner? Takeout? Awesome. Well then. Just thanks for cheering me up again. I appreciate that. This is what dating a writer is like. Okay? This is what it's like. But I'm glad you're here with me. To the end.